Here's your daily updates. Newsman Dennis Daily offers his take on the events of the day in another daily video blog.
Hi, and thanks again, everybody. No matter what grocery store you go into this time of year, you're going to see stacks and stacks of pumpkins. I remember seeing them when I was growing up in Indiana. Sometimes they had so many pumpkins they couldn't give them away, but they're certainly not giving away the pumpkins here at my Walmart grocery. They're charging a pretty penny for them. You know, I wish I were in Half Moon Bay, California right now, for if you love pumpkins, that's the place to be. As a matter of fact, so many pumpkins are grown and harvested each year here at Half Moon Bay, the Safeway World Championship Pumpkin Weigh-Off is held here. Recently, a 1,704-pound gargantuan pumpkin took the top prize. The festival is held in October every year, and Charisse Hale McHugh, the president and CEO of the local Chamber of Commerce and Visitors Bureau, tells me that the festival is a very special event for locals.
We have about 300,000 people who come over the course of that weekend. It's incredible because we have about 300 vendors and it's a juried show, so they're very, very good craftsmen and vendors. All the food and beverage is done by local nonprofits, which raises a lot of money for the local nonprofits. It's a really great festival where the whole town comes together and volunteers for the nonprofit, gives back to the community.
I'm Dennis Daily with your daily news update.